First, cut the pumpkin into large pieces and set them aside. In a large pan or pot, heat a few tablespoons of oil, add diced potatoes and cook until golden. Now, in a pot over medium heat, add oil and whole spices. Once they start to sizzle, add ginger and garlic and cook for a minute. Now, add the onion and cook until it turns slightly golden. Add the pumpkin and cook for 2 minutes. Now add turmeric powder, red chili powder, salt, coriander powder and little hot water. Cook everything for 2 minutes or until the spices are well cooked. Now add the sliced tomatoes and a handful of coriander leaves. Mix everything well and cook until the tomatoes become soft. Now add fried potatoes. Now add soaked rice, vegetable stock, and green peas. Give everything a good mix and cook until all the water evaporates. Now, sprinkle dry fenugreek leaves on top. Add 1 or 2 tablespoons ghee on top. Cover and cook on low heat for 12 to 13 minutes. Serve hot with your favorite side, dip or enjoy it on its own. Enjoy.